I'm going, okay?
Go ahead. The snow's so bright, huh, Jade?
You can see it when we look out the windows at school. Can't see cracks.
No! Don't eat the grass.
No.
Okay, catch
I'll
me.
checker him out.
Okay, catch me.
Bentley, no. Get it. Get it out of his mouth. Where's he got? Probably gone.
Grass in his mouth.
Jade, get him. Get the grass. He's got something. I don't know what it
It's
is.
grass.
Just put your fingers in there. Put your fingers in like this, Jade. Go in the sides.
It's grass. See?
All right, take it out of the way.
I'm bouncing on the trampoline.
Go watch him. Go watch him.
Okay. Whoa.
Wait, wait, he might poop. He runs away from her. I think he thinks he's a rabbit.
Mom, when is my favorite tree gonna grow? The heart tree.
In the summer.
Okay.
Probably spring,
'Cause I really
late
like
spring.
that tree. He's eating grass.
Ooh, skid.